How's it going, Maripa peeps? Today in this video I am going to show you if this ReBird thing from Teryx is true, because I got this Teryx jacket of mine, this one, that's the hoodie, and what happened is a portion got small hole. See, I don't know if you could see that there, but I'm gonna put a B-roll on this video. See there? So I don't know what they are going to do about it, if they are going to patch it or maybe change the whole entire jacket, because when we went to Banff a few weeks ago, we were told that they can fix they can fix anything or any damages on a jacket, and I don't know if we are going to pay for it or if it's going to be free. So right now Teryx in Halifax just opened yesterday officially, or last Friday, so that was on May 10th. And then, so luckily we already have Teryx here in our town, then so we won't have to go to other places just to get this jacket fixed, or maybe deliver it. So at least what we are going to do now is we are just going to go to the Teryx shop and then have this jacket fixed, because I just want the jacket to be fixed, because Teryx jackets are kinda expensive. Not kinda, but they are very expensive. So we'll see. We'll just take a walk. We were just parked here in Nova Scotia Power's parking lot, and then we are just going to take a walk going there, because this is where we park, because it's we could have a lot of spaces here. All right, so we just got back from Teryx Halifax. Unfortunately, if I'm going to do a ReBird, if I'm going to request for a ReBird on this one, so ReBird, if you want to know what ReBird is all about, I'll just put the description in the I'll just put the link in the description below for you to know, or maybe you just search it in YouTube. So they can do it, but the value is only $50, so it's not worth it. And then I asked them if they can repair this one here, this damage that you're seeing, or the one that I just mentioned. So they just put it at service request. They took pictures, and then they took my email address for them to contact me, and then phone number as well. So we'll just wait and see if what could be the result after after submitting the product service request, and we'll see if they could fix the jacket or not. If they can fix it, that's okay, that's good. If not, I can't do anything about it, because that's out of my control already.